Good morning, my dears. Welcome back to our video class. Today we are going to learn the fourth chapter of our GK textbook. The name of the fourth chapter is Our Union Territories, or in short, UT. Before entering into the chapter, first we have to learn what is meant by Union Territory. Did you know about Union Territory? What is meant by Union Territory? And here, Union Territory, it is a sort of organizational division in the Indian Republic. It is not like states. We know that states has their own governments. Actually, Union territories are directly ruled by the central government. Union territories are ruled by Lieutenant Governor who is appointed by the central government. Did you understand? Union territory. And here once again, Union territory, it is a sort of organizational division. It is a small division in our Indian Republic. And here Union territory, it is not like states. States are different from Union territories. And we have 28 states, and how many Union territories are there? 8 Union territories. Okay. And we know that states has their own government. Each state has their own governments. But here Union territories are directly ruled by the central government. And here it is ruled by Lieutenant Governor, and this Lieutenant Governor is appointed by the central government. So then let's move to the Union territories. Currently we have 8 Union territories. Okay, how many Union territories are there? 8 Union territories. Which are they? Look at the Union territories mentioned here. First one is Chandigarh. Second one Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Third one Daman and Diu. And fourth one Lakshadweep. Fifth one Puducherry. It is otherwise called Pondicherry. Sixth one Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then next one, seventh one, National Capital Territory of Delhi, also called Delhi NCR. Then the last one, Jammu and Kashmir. Once again listen. First one is Chandigarh, and the second one Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Third one Daman and Diu. Fourth one Lakshadweep. Fifth one Puducherry or Pondicherry. Then sixth one Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Seventh one National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is also called Delhi NCR. And the last one Jammu and Kashmir. So these are the 8 Union territories of India. Okay, did you understand? Then let's move to the chapter. In your textbook, it is mentioned that 7 Union territories. It's a small mistake because this textbook edition is was in the year of 2019. So let's say just a small mistake. Okay, so let's continue the chapter. Listen. There are 7 union territories, UTs in India. Read these clues and complete the crossword. This text was the previous one in the year of 2019, and in the year of 2020 we have how many union territories? 8 union territories. Okay, so there are 7 union territories. Now there are 8 union territories. Read the clues and complete the crossword. Here one crossword is given below. So from this clues, find out the answer. Listen, the first clue. Capital of the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Clues. Clue is across. Across means like this. Okay. So first question is, capital of the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Which is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli? Did you know the answer? And the answer is Silvassa. Okay, S is mentioned here. Spelling SILVA. Silvassa. So Silvassa is the union territory of, capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Then, this is the smallest UT of India with Daman as its capital. So, find out the smallest union territory of India with Daman as its capital. Its capital is Daman. So here third one is this. So here the answer, the first letter is D, and here the answer is also Daman and Diu. Okay, DAMAN, Daman, and DIU. What is the answer? Daman and Diu. And the next third one, capital of the UT of Andaman and Nicobar. Fourth one. Okay, that is here. Capital of the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar. Which is the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar? Fourth one, Port Blair. P is mentioned here and the answer is Port Blair. PORTBLAIR. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Then the fourth question, it is of 7. Official language of the UT of Puducherry. Puducherry is otherwise called Pondicherry. Both are same. So here Puducherry or Pondicherry, which is the official language of Puducherry or Pondicherry. Did you know the official language of Puducherry? And here 7, first letter is mentioned here and the answer is French. What is the answer? French. FRENCH. What's the answer? French. Okay. So the next question. So we finished across, all finished this one. Okay. And now it is a down section. And the first clue, this UT is, the UT means Union Territory. This Union Territory is the capital of 2 states. Which Union Territory is the capital of 2 states? It is the second one. Do you know the answer? It is Chandigarh. Okay, so C is mentioned here. We have to write H. A is also here. Then N. D is here. I. G. A. R is here. H. Chandigarh is the answer. So the next one, capital of the UT of Puducherry, which is the capital of the Union Territory of Puducherry. Puducherry is a Union Territory, Puducherry or Pondicherry, which is the capital of this Puducherry. And here it is the fifth one. Start from here. It is Pondicherry. Okay. PON. D is here. I. C. H. E. R. R. Y. Pondicherry. Okay. Then the next one, the sixth one, capital of the UT of Lakshadweep, which is the capital of the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. It is the sixth one. And here sixth one, K and A is mentioned here and the answer is Kavaratti. KAVARATTI and the answer is Kavaratti. Okay, so the next question, capital of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, which is the capital of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Did you know the answer? National Capital Territory, N is mentioned here. So the answer is New Delhi. NEWDELHI. Okay. So once again listen the first one. Capital of the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and the answer is Silvassa. And the second one, this is the smallest Union Territory of India with Daman as its capital, and the answer Daman and Diu. Then the fourth one, capital of UT of Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar capital is Port Blair. And the next one, official language of Union Territory of Puducherry. Official language of Union Territory of Puducherry, it is French. And the next one, UT. Thus UT is the capital of two states, and the answer is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of two states. Capital of UT of Puducherry, which is the capital of Pondicherry. Union Territory, Puducherry, it is Pondicherry. And sixth one, capital of the UT of Lakshadweep, which is the capital of Union Territory of Lakshadweep. And the answer is sixth one, which is the answer, Kavaratti. And the eighth one, capital of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and the answer is New Delhi. And in this question, fifth question, capital of Union Territory of Puducherry or Pondicherry, the same answer is same is the Union Territory. Pondicherry is the same. Pondicherry is the Union Territory of Puducherry. Okay. I think many have the doubts against this. Capital of UT of Puducherry, and here capital of UT of Puducherry is Pondicherry. Did you understand the question? Don't forget that Pondicherry is otherwise called Puducherry. Okay, so it's the time to wind up our class. Read all the question and by heart or memorize. If you have any doubt, then ask me. So we'll continue the chapter tomorrow. Till then, take care. Thank you.